at the the Mississippi Riverwalk in Dubuque, Iowa. So yes, we have left Wisconsin. We had a good time there. Wisconsin is a very pretty state, and there's actually quite a bit of things to do there. Oh, I hope this metal isn't too hot for her little pawpaws. Is the pavement okay? Okay, what about that metal? I want to walk her across it and it's too hot.
It's warmer than concrete.
Okay, let's go quickly. Woo, isn't this pretty? Hey, look, there's a barge thing. That would be the technical term, barge thing. Look at that bridge, that's cool. No swimming or wait. Oh, look at the baby birds. I gotta tighten up the leash a little bit on Darby. She sees those, we might go over the edge. I don't want to swim today.
You say baby birds.
They're ducks, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I knew that. Aw, aren't they cute? So many of them. Yes, you're cute too. Like the old railroad bridge. Check out this sign over here. I know Darby. She thinks I'm walking into a wall, I think. So there's the trail that runs along the river. Uh-oh.
Right there. The old boat.
And then there's another one right over there. The William M. Black. This one is Twilight. Look at those houses up on the hill over there. They got a good view. Old buildings. There's a lot of old buildings in downtown Dubuque.
Right? They. You don't want to get that in.
And there's the U.S. Coast Guard over there. So that boat right there is for the Mississippi cruises. So you can get a cruise. Check out all those old buildings over there. Okay, that is cool. Was pretty cool. It went on a little further than what we did, but Darby was getting a little too hot. It's gonna get pretty hot today. It's pretty early in the morning. What, 9 something? Oh no, we're a little over 10 o'clock, but it's already pretty hot, and we didn't want to overheat Darby, so we just called it. But we noticed as we were, well, kind of as we were driving in, but even more so as we were driving back out, there is a lot of old historic buildings in Dubuque. And so we will be making a trip back to Dubuque at some point in time when we have the time to actually walk the streets, and there's murals and just tons of stuff, I think, to see. So we'll be back to Dubuque at some point, so you can look for that video sometime in the future. But right now, we are actually headed to our next destination for this trip, so hang around, we'll be back.